Hi there, and welcome back. If you're over 60, you've probably noticed that balance, well, it just isn't what it used to be. Maybe you feel a little unsteady when you get out of bed. Maybe walking on uneven ground makes you nervous. Or maybe you've caught yourself reaching for furniture more than you used to. First, let me reassure you, you're not alone, and you're not just getting old. Balance can be rebuilt step by step. And today I'm going to walk you through simple, gentle exercises you can do at home to strengthen your legs, wake up your stabilizing muscles, and regain confidence in every step you take. But we're also going to talk about something just as important: foods that quietly weaken your body as you age, and what to eat instead to support stronger muscles, sharper energy, and steadier balance. So let's start with the movement side of things. Section 1. Why balance declines after 60 and why it's not permanent. As we age, three key systems slowly weaken. 1. Leg strength, especially the muscles around the hips, thighs, and ankles. 2. Joint stability, including the tiny stabilizing muscles we rarely notice. 3. Inner ear and nerve coordination, which help us react quickly when we lose balance. The good news?
All three can improve at any age, even well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. Research shows that just a few minutes of targeted balance work each day can significantly reduce fall risk and improve walking confidence. That means you don't need fancy equipment, or a gym, or a personal trainer. You just need consistency and slow, controlled movements. Let's go through the first exercise. Section 2. Exercise number 1, the chair sit to stand. This is one of the simplest and most powerful exercises for older adults because it strengthens the quadriceps, glutes, and hips, three major muscle groups responsible for stability. How to do it? Sit on a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the ground. Cross your arms over your chest or keep them lightly on your thighs. Slowly stand up. Slowly sit back down. Repeat 8 to 10 times, resting if needed. This movement trains your muscles to support everyday actions, like getting out of bed or rising from the couch. It also improves balance by building strength through the entire lower body. If you need extra support, place the chair against a wall and keep your hands on the sides for balance. Section 3. Exercise number 2, heel-to-toe walk. This simple walking pattern strengthens the muscles along your ankles and helps train your body to stay stable in narrow positions. How to do it? Stand tall with your arms by your sides. Place one foot directly in front of the other, heel touching the toes. Take slow steps forward. Walk 10 to 15 steps, turn around carefully, and walk back. If you feel unsure, walk next to a kitchen counter or hallway wall for light support. This exercise improves your ability to recover from small stumbles and uneven surfaces, something many older adults struggle with. Section 4. Exercise number 3. Single leg stand with support. Now, this next exercise is one of the most effective for improving balance, but it must be done safely. You'll need a countertop or the back of a sturdy chair. How to do it? Stand tall with one hand lightly resting on the counter. Lift one foot an inch or two off the ground. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Switch legs. Repeat 3 to 5 times per side. Over time, as your confidence improves, try using fewer fingers for support, or eventually none at all. Why it works? This move trains the stabilizer muscles around the hips and ankles, the exact muscles your body uses to keep you steady during everyday walking. Even practicing this for a few seconds a day can noticeably improve confidence. Section 5. Exercise number 4, side leg raises. Side leg raises are great for strengthening the hip abductors, muscles that help prevent sideways falls, which are some of the most common in older adults. How to do it? Stand next to a stable surface for support. Slowly lift one leg out to the side, keeping it straight. Pause briefly at the top. Lower with control. Repeat 8 to 10 times, then switch sides. These muscles are often weak in older adults because we don't use them much in everyday life. But when they're strong, your whole body feels more centered and stable. Section 6. Transition. Now let's talk about foods that silence your strength.
Now that your muscles are getting stronger, let's shift into the second part of today's video. Because even the best exercises won't help much if certain foods are quietly working against your body. There are common foods that slowly sap energy, stiffen joints, raise inflammation, and weaken muscles, and many older adults eat them daily without realizing the impact. Over the next section, I'll show you which foods to watch out for, and what to eat instead to support strength, balance, and long-term wellness. Section 7, Food Number 1. Sugary breakfast foods. This includes sweetened cereals, pastries, flavored instant oatmeal, and fruit yogurts with added sugar. Why they're harmful? These foods create blood sugar spikes, which lead to fatigue, brain fog, and increased inflammation. Over time, this affects coordination and joint comfort. What to eat instead? Plain oatmeal with berries, unsweetened Greek yogurt, whole grain toast with nut butter, eggs with vegetables. These swaps provide steady energy and support muscle repair, something the body needs more and more with age.
Section 8. Food number 2. Processed meats. Foods like bacon, sausage, deli meats, hot dogs. These are convenient, but they contain high levels of sodium, preservatives, and inflammatory compounds that can stiffen joints, raise blood pressure, and reduce circulation, all of which can affect balance and mobility. For older adults, too much sodium can also lead to dizziness and dehydration, two hidden contributors to falls. What to eat instead? Lean chicken or turkey, beans or lentils, fresh fish like salmon or cod, homemade roasted meats without preservatives. These alternatives are easier on the body and provide high-quality protein to support muscle strength. Section 9. Food number 3. Refined white carbs. This includes white bread, white pasta, white rice, and baked goods made with refined flour. Why they're harmful? They break down quickly into sugar, leading to energy crashes that make you feel weak or shaky. They also offer very few nutrients compared to their whole grain versions. As we age, maintaining steady energy is essential for staying steady on our feet. What to eat instead? Whole grain bread, brown rice, whole grain pasta, quinoa, barley. These provide fiber, vitamins, and slow-burning energy for better muscle performance and less fatigue. Section 10. Food number 4. Inflammatory oils. Many packaged or fried foods are made with oils like soybean oil, corn oil, canola oil, vegetable oil blends. These oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which, when eaten in excess, can promote inflammation, a major cause of joint discomfort and slower recovery after exercise. What to use instead? Olive oil, avocado oil, small amounts of butter or ghee, nuts and seeds for healthy fats. These healthier fats help lubricate joints, support brain health, and stabilize energy throughout the day. Section 11. A quick reminder. Small changes add up. You don't need to eliminate every food we just talked about right away. Start with one swap, just one. Replace a sugary breakfast with a protein-rich one, or trade white bread for whole grain, or cook with olive oil instead of vegetable oil. Each tiny improvement supports your muscles, coordination, and confidence, so the exercises you're doing become even more effective.
Section 12. Food number 5. Hidden salt in everyday foods. Even if you don't add much salt at the table, many older adults consume far more sodium than they realize. Hidden salt is found in canned soups, packaged sauces, frozen meals, flavored crackers, and salad dressings. Why this matters? Too much sodium can cause water retention, swelling in the legs, dizziness, and increased blood pressure. All of these affect stability and increase the risk of falls. What to eat instead? Low-sodium soups, homemade sauces using herbs, simple meals made from whole ingredients, fresh vegetables with olive oil and lemon. Your body and your balance thrive on cleaner, simpler ingredients. Section 13, food number 6, sugary drinks. This includes soda, sweet tea, fruit juices, energy drinks, and flavored coffee drinks. Sugary beverages spike blood sugar faster than almost anything else, causing energy crashes that make you feel shaky, tired, or unfocused. Over time, these swings can also affect coordination. What to drink instead? Water, herbal tea, sparkling water with lemon, diluted fruit juice, unsweetened iced tea. Hydration supports brain function, muscle performance, and steadier balance. Section 14. Bringing it all together. Your path to better balance. By now, you have 2 powerful tools working together. 1. Simple daily strength and balance exercises. These rebuild the muscles and stabilizing systems that keep you steady on your feet. 2. Smart nutrition swaps. These reduce inflammation, improve energy, and help your muscles recover and grow stronger. When you combine movement with healthy eating, the results can happen faster than you think. You may find that walking feels easier, your legs feel stronger, standing up takes less effort. You feel more confident going upstairs. You no longer need to hold on to furniture as often. And remember, you don't need perfection, just consistency. Even 5 minutes of exercise a day, plus 1 or 2 healthier swaps, can create a noticeable difference in your balance, mobility, and overall confidence. Section 15. Closing message. If you're over 60, your best years of strength and stability can still be ahead of you. Your body is adaptable. Your muscles respond at any age, and your balance can absolutely improve. So take it day by day. Try one exercise, make one food swap, and celebrate every small win. You deserve to move through life feeling steady, strong, and confident. If you found this helpful, feel free to subscribe for more videos on senior strength, better mobility, and healthier aging. Your journey to better balance starts today, and I'm here with you every step of the way.